Hey everybody, it's Jared here with Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the all-new Wolverine X2. This is the R-Spec. We've installed a bunch of accessories on here and wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the machine. As you know, this machine just barely came out from Yamaha and it is on fire. Every one that we've had come in so far has been pre-sold. And on this one, wanted to show you some of the accessories. This is the Yamaha Roof on there, Super ATV, full fold-up windshield. This thing operates very easy. You've got this lever here on the inside. You can just open this up, take it into the first position, snap it in place, and you've got some nice airflow all the way along the windshield. If you want it all the way open, maybe it heats up during the day, you can open that baby up and give you that full fold-up windshield look and feel. We've also installed the ATV UTV Tech side view mirrors on this one. These are breakaway. Going down the trail, smack a tree, hit some brush, pulling somewhere in tight. Those will fold out of the way. Also, the Yamaha back window. Nice big clear view. Once it is installed, you can unzip that window, roll it up, and secure it with these Velcro straps if you want to create additional airflow. We've also installed the Ryco Street Legal Kit on this vehicle. You can see it flashing there now. We do have separate Street Legal Kit videos, but in a nutshell, ties into the stock tail lights. Nice, clean, cool, custom look there. Also, the Yamaha box that fits in the back. You've got additional cup holders for when you're kicking it around the fire. It also locks. You could throw a padlock in there. Doesn't come with the lock, but you could lock it if you're out on the trail and realize you don't want your stuff stolen. It is easy to take in and out. All you need to do is simply take those 4 silver knobs, unscrew those, and the whole box will come out. When you install this box, there is no additional holes to drill or anything like that. They're already located in the bed. It does have a nice rubber seal all along there and a drain plug down here as well. If you choose, you can use this thing as a cooler if you want, and you do have that nice drain plug in there as well. Yamaha rear bumper has also been installed. It's got a nice fit on there, very sleek profile design. We've also installed the Terabyte 27-inch tires. They look really good on there. Here in Utah, we do a lot of street legal vehicles, and a lot of folks are wanting to put on a tire that's going to wear really good on the asphalt, as well as work really well everywhere else. You can see the Warren winch there as well. Some of the key features about the Wolverine X2. This is the quietest side-by-side on the market. There is no comparison for cab noise. There's no engine heat or anything like that. They've done a really good job keeping this vehicle very, very quiet and very smooth. The shocks are adjustable as well on the R-Spec. Plenty of storage here on the inside. You got a big glove box, that center console as I just showed you. A little bit of storage space right here. Also a great thing to point out, behind these switch plates are pre-wired switches. The wiring is ran up under the dash. If you're installing some light bars or whips or anything like that, it's going to be a simple plug and play operation. They did a really good job preparing this vehicle for accessories. And here's just a few that you see on this all-new Wolverine X2. Check us out on the web, bigpinesports.com. You can also give us a call, 435-427-3338. More to come as we test and do some field views on this all-new X2.